everybody, it's me and Madison, and today Madison is going to be checking out my new squishy vending machine I just made. There's a lot of fun squishies in it. So, alright, I'm going to have Madison come over here, and she's going to pick a coin. You're going to pick a coin? Yeah, this one. Alright, well, we'll get this one, this brown one. Alright. Alright, so do you see this right here? Yeah. You're going to put the coin in. Okay. I love that sound. Yeah, me too. All right, so now we're going to turn this. Turn this handle. Like that. Did something fall down? Nope, nothing fell down. Then we're going to give it a turn again. I heard something. Nope. Squishy machines. Squishy machine ain't working.
Now turn it.
Turn.
It was a dandelion.
Oh, there we go. Now there's something. We got a Christmas tree and a snowman. It dispenses its own squishies. Alright, so now we're just gonna put them back in there and try again. You ready? Yeah. So we're gonna put a coin in there. My Little Ponies are watching over our coins. Alright, I'm gonna make sure it's getting down in there. You're gonna need a twist. Oh, I heard something. Me too. All right, what's in there? Let's see. Wow, it's a cupcake. It's a squishy cupcake. Yeah, it's a little cupcake and it's got glasses. All right, so now we need to put it in there. Woo. Hey, I want to go in there. I'm pretty sure that you don't want to. Yeah, I do. Whee! Oh my gosh, okay guys, Madison is in the squishy vending machine. Okay, Madison, it's so much fun with all the squishies in here. Oh my gosh, okay, Madison, oh my gosh, look at Madison, she's in. All right, well you need to come back up, okay? All right, I want to do it again. Want to do it again? All right, there you go. All right. Turn it. I heard something. Wow. We got this really cute squishy cat. Put it in. Wait a minute. Something is leaking. Hold on. Something's leaking on that. Is it just air or something? I don't think so. I think something's leaking in there. I don't know. I don't know. I felt something like wet on my hand. Like right here. But not anywhere else, just right here. All right. Yes, there is. There's that squishy, the one with a little smoothie in it, and it says love. The one that, the same brand that busted.
Where's that one?
I don't know. All right, put the other coin in.
I'll see it. Yeah, that was pretty durable though. I'm not too worried about that.
Something dropped in there, Madison. Let's see. Whoa, we got 2 things. 2 for 1. Here's the bear. Squishy bear. And a macaroon. A macaroon.
A macaroon?
Yeah, it's a macaroon. It's a macaroon. All right, put that in there. Twist it. Oh, this is hard to twirl. Oh, I feel like it's gonna break. I'm scared. Is something in there? Something's in there. It's the Christmas tree and the snowman again. Again, the two same things. Again. In one time. That's weird. Okay, guys, well, so, yeah, that's it for our squishy vending machine. And, yeah, so we tried it out. Isn't that cool, Madison? Yeah, that's super cool. Yeah, that is super cool. Here, let's get the coins out. Yeah. Right here. All right, we're going to get the coins out now. Okay, I think I fixed the squishy vending machine. So we're going to put a coin in there because it wasn't working. So, yeah, put a coin in, turn it. Oh, something fell down. It's the bear again. All right, turn it. Whoa, something big fell down. For sure. Whoa. This is the macaroon and the cake. Put that back in. Ugh. Heard something. Nope. Nothing. Huh? Nothing. Alright, I'll see those again. I think I heard something. But just to make sure, I'm gonna... Oh. Nothing. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for our squishy vending machine. Yay! Alright, well. Better take Madison back to the baby alive room, so... yeah. Alright, guys. Well, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this long video of squishies. So, bye.